Langkawi projek di Langkawi tu kan, kontraktor pun satu hal juga. Apa yang klien fulfill minta tu kita kena kaji, dan kajian tu tak lebih lama. Dan kaji tengok adakah kesinambungan tersebut mendatangkan kebaikan pada pengikut ataupun klien saja ataupun win-win. Contoh dia, pihak klien dah lulus EOT 3 bulan. Klien hanya suruh rewind dalam chain working time saja 3 bulan tu. Jadi tak guna, dia kena insert task dekat Gancat. Dia pergi key in dekat kalender tu. Mengatakan bahawa 3 bulan daripada tarikh ni sampai tarikh ni EOT. Memanglah program tu berganjak, betul tuan. Tapi schedule tu takkan turun. Schedule tu kan naik. Apa tujuan kita apply EOT? Tujuan dia adalah untuk menurunkan persen weightage schedule. Faham? Itu tujuan utama dia. Bukannya. Jadi bila kita tak in dekat Gancat, weightage tu tidak akan berperanan. Kalau dekat working with calendar ataupun working time, dia hanya melakukan benda yang tak ada weightage. Weightage tu tak bergerak. Faham? Kalau kita declare dalam working time tu cuti 6 hari di dalam program projek. Tetapi ditapak kita bekerja. Tak ada masalah. Lagi bagus. Faham? Okay, baik, next. Apa dia? Itu dekat skrin saya tak nampak lah.
Saya
Okay, masuk balik. Present now.
Tuan nampak tuan?
Nampak. Teruskan.
Chapter 8 Working with Calendar. In this chapter, exploring the base project resource and task calendar, understanding how calendar works together, setting calendar option and working time, using the project calendar, working with task calendar, using resource calendar, creating your own calendar template, copying calendar to another project. Most people live their life based on responding to their clock and calendars. And think about it. You wake up and your first thought about what day is this, what time is this, and whether it's a work day. You have special. You have typically work day, whether you are 9 to 5 person or you particular job call for you to work from midnight to 8 a.m. You probably also vary from the routine now and then. When you complete a 12-hour marathon session in a crunch or sleep away after half a day day to go fishing or a nice summer day. In a way, project 2019 kalender dissemble your work life. They set standard for a typical working time and then allow for variation. Unlike you, however, Project 2019 has several types of calendar to account for. Pastu mastering base, project, resource, and task calendar. One piece of information to consider when assigning resource is when people can work. You adjust resource working time in calendar. Okay, lepas tu setting the base calendar for a project. As I described in chapter 2, when you when you first open a new project, you enter information about the project either in the project information dialog box or by clicking the file tab and working in the project information section of the info screen in Backstage view. One option under project information is the project calendar. You can choose among three options for the best calendar. First, the standard. The standard default calendar show a typical 8 to 5 work day and 5-day work week with no exception such as holiday. You can think of it as the company calendar, which reflect its operating hour when the doors are open. Night shift show an 8-hour workday scheduled between 11 p.m. and 8 p.m. with an hour off for meal from Monday to Friday, no exception. You can select this calendar for resource who work the same company day but different hour. The 24 hours base calendar show continued time. 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Okay, lepas tu understanding the four calendar type. Project 2019 has 4 calendar type: base, project, resource, and task. Mastering the calendar type can be tricky, but understanding how calendar work is essential to mastering the software. Tasks are scheduled and resource are assigned based on calendar setting you make. Here is the lowdown of the rule of each of the 4 calendar type in the project 2019. The next session detail how they interact. First, base is the template on which all other calendar are built. 3 base calendar are available: standard, night shift, and 24 hours. You can read more about them later in this chapter in the section working with task calendar and resources calendar. Yang kedua, project. The default calendar for scheduling you use with base calendar template you particular project should be a short use. Resource. Combine the base calendar setting with any exception. Non-working time such as vacation time that you set for a particular resource. Task. Provide a spot where you can set exception for a particular task. You can manage calendar in the project in one of 3 ways. Use of project calendar that set the working date and time for all resource and tasks. Modified calendar for specific resource or assign and modified calendar for specific tasks. Okay, remember, don't become confused by my use of the term project as it refers to the software, the project calendar type, and your project. I use project 2019 to indicate the software itself. Project calendar to specify the calendar type, and plan project to refer to your project. How calendar work? Not everyone in a company how calendar work. Not everyone in company work the same schedule, and not every task can be performed in the same hours workday. Nevertheless, when you create tasks and assign resources to work on them, project 2019 has to base that work on a timing standard. For example, if you say that a task should be complete in one workday, project 2019 know that a workday means 8 hours or 20 hours or whatever, because that's how you set up a standard day in the project calendar. Likewise, suppose that you assign a resource to work to week. Suppose that you assign a resource to work on a task in a company that use a standard 5-day work week. Okay, if the resource on calendar is set for standard 4 days work week, the 2 week of work by the
Okay,
resource.
sabar.
Ya, tuan.
Sepanjang tuan baca ni apa yang tuan faham tentang kalender punya
Okay.
umum.
Dia dalam projek ni dia ada tiga punya apa tu, macam dia punya setting lah, standard, night shift and 24 jam. Kita kena ni lah, pilih lah nak pakai yang mana. Lepas tu lepas tu project the different calendar you can choose combine everything to provide for whether you can manage. Okay, lepas tu kita based on the kalender tu kita boleh modify kalender berdasarkan resource of the resource yang kita pakai tu lah.
Ya.
Lepas tu lepas tu lepas tu bukan setiap projek tu sama je punya schedule lah. Ada setiap projek tu kadang pakai 8 jam, kadang-kadang pakai 12 jam. Jadi kita
nak setting kalender ni. Sebenarnya kita kena respect daripada condition of contract tu. Dalam condition contract dia respect tu. Berapa jam, hari apa cuti, hari apa digunakan. Tapi kita tu lah.
Okay, I see.
Tapi klien dia ada yang tak nak ikut tu.